In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to apply your makeup really fast and how to achieve a daytime smoky eye look. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica with MH Divine Beauty. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and I invite you to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're part of our family, welcome back again, and thank you for taking your time and watching our videos. In today's episode, we're going to talk about our makeup in our 40s. When we are in our 40s, everything changes. Our skin becomes more dry, we need more moisturizers, more serums, and our makeup is not an exception. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply your makeup really fast and how to achieve a daytime smoky eye look. We're going to prepare our skin with our moisturizer followed by our SPF 30. This will protect our skin from the UVA rays. For our eyes, we're going to use our Eye Rescue Cream that will prevent fine lines and wrinkles around our eyes. Today, we're going to use our Total Coverage Foundation number 211. You apply it with a wet sponge and make sure you don't make a line right here. Make sure you blend it all the way down to your neck. Whatever foundation you're using, make sure you blend it really good. You don't want to see lines where it starts and where it ends. And go all the way up to the hairline so you don't see anything there. Blend it down to your neck. To cover my dark circles, I'm going to use my MH Divine Concealer and Eyeshadow Base in the color neutral. Our products are very concentrated, so you just need a little bit of it. Then again, blend it with a wet sponge. There you go. Now we need to seal our foundation with our translucent powder. Make sure you don't put a lot of product because after our 40s we might have some wrinkles, and with powder we accentuate more our fine lines. Okay, now our eyebrows. Let's brush them a little bit so they stay in place. And with this little brush, angle brush, we're going to put just a little bit of the darkest color and we go over our eyebrows. Make sure you go over your natural shape of your eyebrow. If you don't have any eyebrows, I highly recommend you to get microblading done. If you have some questions about microblading or you don't know what microblading is, I'm going to put the link down below so you can see the video where I explain to you what microblading is and give you some tips. If you want to make the appointment with me, just send me an email or a text. I put all my information down below. But your eyebrows are very important. They need to look natural. Now with this brush, we're going to prepare our lid and we use the lightest color. This way we're preparing our lid for our eyeshadows. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to contour our face. I love this brush. This is an ELF brush and it's really good for contouring your face. We're going to use this powder. We're going to contour our eyes, our cheeks, and all you need is just a little bit of it. Now if you don't know how to contour your face, just put a little bit of powder first. Don't use the contouring in cream because it's harder to blend. So just a little bit here. Okay, for the eyes, we're going to do the same thing. Just a little bit of product. And I have hoodie eyes, so I need to create some shadow in it so it doesn't look so puffy. See the difference between here and here? This one doesn't look as puffy as the other one. And you go, and don't worry if it's not perfect. That's okay. That's fine. Now with the side of the brush, I'm going to contour my nose. and then again just a little bit. A line to make it look smaller. Now we need to blend it, and you can use a brush, a fluffy brush, or let me show you, you can use the same brush that you use to contour your face and your nose and your eyes. You just clean really good and blend it. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, now the eyes, and this is when we clean the excess of the contouring powder, creating shadows, but we don't want to create a big shadow. Okay, so now with this brush, fluffy brush, we're going to use this color, and we apply it on the mobile part of the eyelid. It's called mobile because you can open and close your eyes. There you go. And we're creating some dimension to the eye, see? Now with this brush, we're going to start creating our smoky eye. It's a fluffy brush, angled but soft. Okay, and we need just a little bit of the darkest color, and make sure you don't put too much pigment because it's going to be impossible to blend. And remember, we want to blend all our colors. We're going to create like a V shape around here, just like this, and blending every time you apply the pigment. And on the other side, same thing from the corner towards the nose. Blend, blend, blend. When you hold your brush right here, you're applying more pigment. It's harder to blend. So make sure you hold your brush all the way to the back, so it's nice and soft. Blend and blend. I don't know how many times I have to tell you that you need to blend your eyeshadows or your makeup in general. Now the pointing part of this brush, see right here, is going to help us to connect the upper lid with the lower lid. There you go, right here. You just need a little bit of pigment, and that looks natural and blended. Okay, so now if you want more dimension, make sure you blend it all the way, not all the way to the top, because you don't want to put it together with the eyebrows. This brush will help us to blend all the colors. So now you use the lighter shade of the eyeshadow colors here and blend your darkest color with the lightest, and that will give us a very natural blending motion on your eyeshadows. Okay, see how everything is nice and blended? You don't see where a color starts or ends. That's what you want to achieve. If you want to make this smoky eye more for nighttime, all you have to do is just apply more pigment to the corner here and blend it. Little dabs here and blend. So with this brush, this is a hard brush, we're going to use the lightest color and create some highlighting underneath the eyebrows. This will give us the illusion of more nice and relaxed open eye. If you need more concealer, of course you can use more. There you go. I have a really bad dark circle, so I have to take care of them. Now with the black eyeliner, we're going to apply it on our waterline. This will give us more dimension in our smoky eye, top and bottom. See the difference? Now the other side. Just be very careful when you do this. a little bit more powder just to set our foundation a little bit more. And now we're going to do our eyeliner. This eyeliner is so easy to apply, even if you don't have experience or you've never done it before. The brush of this eyeliner is so easy to work with. See? You want to take your time doing your eyeliner. Now our mascara, our high definition black mascara. I love this one. And to apply your mascara, make sure you go like a horizontal movement and then vertical, like up. Same thing for the lower ones. Now with this brush, very fluffy, we're going to apply our blush. And you just get a little bit of it. Make sure you take the extra off and apply on your cheekbone. Make sure you blend everything. See how my face looks more oval? Even though my face shape is round, it looks oval because of the contouring I did earlier and the blush. Now a little bit of bronzer, just to give me some glow. Bronzer will give you a healthier look on your skin, just like if you went outside and have a really nice tan without even exposing your skin to the UVA rays. So bronzer, I'm telling you, it's one of my favorites. Okay, now lips. With a very light lip liner, I'm going to define my lips. I'm going for a nude color, so it's almost like the color of my lips. Okay, so now I'm going to create more dimension in my lips. They're going to look bigger and plumper. So I am using a little darker color. It has a little bit brown in it. So just going to put it right on the line of my lips. And now my Image Divine Liquid Lipstick Nude. This is number 110. And I apply it all over my lips. And just a little bit. You don't need much. Everything is concentrated, so you don't need much. And that's it. Let it dry. A little bit more of pressed powder. This will help you to look nice and fresh. So you can do this step during the day. Okay, so your makeup will look flawless all day long. Now we take this little bit of eyeshadow. This is a trick. This is a bonus for you guys. So you just put right there on the center part of your lips. Okay, see, big lips. Now our lip gloss. This is number 88. It's a very nice pink lip gloss. And we're done. A little bit more lip gloss here and there, and we are ready to go. Okay. Our makeup is done, everything is blended, nice and fresh. I hope you like it. If you like this video, give me a like, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. If you have any suggestions, please let me know down below on the comment section and tell me how long does it take you to apply your makeup every morning. Don't forget to check these videos out. And have a wonderful week. Stay healthy. I love you guys, and I see you in our next video. Bye.